Hey guys, so you joined me the next day. I managed to get the car washed in the morning. As you can see, she looks really beautiful, and also I managed to get the screws for the number plate. I'll show you how the number plate looks at the back now. I'm just gonna take a quick video and do a quick edit, and you can see just how beautiful this car is on the outside.
Trust in me, let me in.
Alright, so I'm currently driving in eco mode. It's supposed to save fuel, but I see there I've been doing 10.7 liters to the 100. So just like I said yesterday, this car is very heavy on fuel, and it's only a 1.4 liter engine, but it behaves like a 2 liters. I don't know if it has to do with the heat here in Namibia. So I usually use eco when I'm driving in town because there's a lot of robots, traffic lights, and then traffic as well. You stop and go and all those things. So I use eco mode to try and save as much as I can. But when I'm out in the freeway and the roads that are empty, then I can use either normal mode or a sport mode. So this car is very comfortable. You can go over the speed bumps and not feel anything. So you can go on a long distance drive and not feel anything really. Like you feel relaxed and all those things. It also has cruise controls. That is a very nice feature for when you're driving long distances. Alright, so now let's go to sport mode and see what the car does. So as you can see, the color changes to red to show that you are in a sport mode. Alright, let's go. You see it revs up to 6,000 RPMs. Which is so nice. It also has nice brakes, by the way, and they're quite smooth, so you can feel confident just driving this car. Right. And it just goes. It's so smooth. It feels so smooth. It just goes. Can I go? Okay. So he says I can go. So even if you're not pressing all the way down, if you're not giving it full throttle, it will still change gears a bit later than in the other modes, which is quite nice. Alright, so I want to go into manual mode and change gears itself using the shift pedals. I'm not used to using the gear lever itself. The shift pedals are always nice. Oh, look at that, we have some baboons. It's now on manual mode and the road just looks nice. But there's gravel road there. I just watched the car, so I'm not gonna go down there. But let's change gears ourselves. Okay. I'm gonna turn back here because there's gravel road here. And on my way back, I'll just be using the manual mode. I just washed the car, so I don't want it to get dirty again. Tosca will not be impressed by that. So it tells you when to shift up if you're not shifting up. Okay, there were animals here, so we're just gonna slow down a bit. Shift down, down. Right. Okay, let's go. But it tells you early to shift up. But if you want to be like a real sport mode, then you will shift gears late and not wait for the car to tell you. Well, not ignore the signs that the car shows you to shift early. So yeah. All right. Again, we're back at the stop and go. Hopefully he lets me go. Okay, he says I can go. Okay, slow down, there's some cows. Shift down. Shift down again. So just a few cool features about this car. So obviously, being a new car, it has the electronic parking brake, auto hold function. So also it has this parking assist. So this is mainly for parallel parking. It also has parking sensors. You can see your rear view camera there, someone passing. The aircon here, it's everything is touch. You also have your sync button. So you also have this aircon thingy that shows you where the air is blowing when you choose the different modes, the pedal shifts. I don't know if you can see them nicely there. Yeah, you have the different modes. You have your eco if you want to save fuel. You can drive on eco. You have your normal mode, and you have your sport mode and individual, where you can customize your cruise control. This is the view changes the way you want to see you want the display to be like over there, so you can display it like that. Now it's just showing my driving data and stuff, and then your speedometer will be over there, or I can show it like this. I prefer this personally. but yeah, that's the different modes there. You also have voice functions here. So coming here to the door, the lock function things, and then there's also a light that shines here at night, and your normal the window functions, and if you want to open the boot, you use that. It also has electronically adjustable seats. You can just set your position using the different things. It also has lumbar support, which is actually a nice feature. And you can set your preferred sitting position. This is an anti-dazzle mirror. Will dim the lights from the car behind. If the person behind you puts on bright, the mirror can dim. So unfortunately this car doesn't have a sunroof, but you've got plenty of storage up here. So you've got that one, and also there's another one at the back that opens. So yeah, plenty of storage. Right, so the other cool feature this car has is heated seats. So this is quite useful in winter. If you get into the car in the morning and it's very cold, your seats are very cold, these are leather seats, so they'll be very cold in the morning. So you just come and press the heated seats there. So on both sides you have heated seats, and your seats can be warm in no time. So also to close the boot, you just press the button and it closes. Cool features. So the one thing I've realized about the Tiguan here in Namibia, it's like the national car of Namibia. It's everywhere. Everywhere you go, you'll find it, a VW Tiguan. It's so interesting.